Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily install the newest version of Python 3.10.7 and how you can actually do it. So what you want to do is right here Python download, and then you will get right here download Python, and when you're gonna be here you're gonna have like the latest version here. Click here on download and you can simply see that with the different OS for Windows, Linux, Mac OS or other, so you're gonna like switch if you need Mac OS here, right? Or we're gonna download for the Windows. I will click here, click open it when you're gonna have it, and then you're gonna have install now. So you can of course like customize the installation, and I would definitely recommend like adding the Python 3.10 to path. So that's what I would definitely do. And of course you can click here customize features, and you can have documentation, pip, idle, Python test suite. So all of that, if you want, you can then click next here, and then you can customize install location. So I can click browse here, and let's say I'm going to have it in this computer games, and let's say I'm going to have it here Python. Okay, and I'm going to have it right here. Also you can install for all users that you have, and then when you have it you would click install. Now click on yes, because right now you wouldn't be able to see, you need to verify it through the administrator, and then when you're gonna have it, now we're installing it. And now let's just wait until we're gonna install it, and then we are going to continue. So let's just wait, and when you're gonna have it, then we're gonna use a command soon on checking the version of Python. Okay, and when you have it, setup was successful, you would click close here. Now when you have it, go to Windows, command, and right here Python version, and you can see right here the 3.10.7. That's the version we have. And now let's just write it here, Python, and then you see also the version here. And I will write here like the test here. So I'll write command here again. So that's pretty much it how we do it. I'm just like playing right now. Okay, see that, hello world. And that's pretty much it how we do it. So if you can have any questions guys, ask me down in comment. This is how you can easily install Python 3.10.7 on Windows 10. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.